Welcome to Free Documentary Uganda. We are dedicated to bringing high-class documentaries to you on YouTube with the latest camera equipment used by well-known filmmakers working for famous production studios. You will see fascinating shots from the deep seas and up in the air, capturing great stories and pictures from everything our beautiful and interesting planet has to offer. Enjoy stories about nature, wildlife, culture, people, history, downtown streets, daily life walking tour, world-class buildings, construction and more to come. Villa. Capacity 35,000. Hello family, welcome back to another episode. It's Free Documentary Uganda. Like, share, comment and please do not forget to subscribe here to our YouTube channel for more videos. Hello family, welcome back to another episode. It's Free Documentary Uganda. Like, share, comment and please do not forget to subscribe here to our YouTube channel for more videos. And today we bring to you the progress of the construction Kampala Flyover road project in Central Business District, changing the face of Kampala City, Uganda. The Vice President of Japan International Cooperation Agency, Dr. Yamada Junichi, has appreciated the work done on the Kampala Flyover and the road upgrading project. Stadium is a multi-purpose stadium. Kampala has developed as a city with good buildings and roads. With a sneak peek in where it has come from, one will appreciate the significant steps taken towards the progress and growth of Kampala City. Capacity 35,000. Infrastructure is a crucial aspect of development. The focus on creating high-quality buildings and roads is commendable. The newly constructed and renovated buildings can now attract businesses, residents and visitors and help to create a vibrant and prosperous city. Additionally, well-maintained roads make it easy for people to commute, transport goods and services, and access essential amenities. Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA, Global Vice President has inspected the ongoing construction works at the Kampala Flyover and the road upgrading project. Uganda. It is currently not in use but was previously used mostly for football matches and served as the home venue of SC Villa. Capacity 35,000.
The project, which started in 2019, is 89% complete and is expected to mitigate traffic congestion in the Greater Kampala metropolitan area. The project is co-funded by the Japan International Cooperation Agency and the government of Uganda and will cost about $80 million upon completion.
Daniel.
Feel free to share this video and others on your social media networks, Facebook, Instagram, among others, so as to increase its reach across the globe. Thanks for watching. Email us at gabiwater12@gmail.com or WhatsApp us on 072-606-5123. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and please do not forget to subscribe here to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.